Hello, I'm Kirsten Hennigan, member of our advisory services team within Eide Bailly Technology Consulting. I want to show you a few ways you can utilize your organization's data with external data sources to see trends, gain further analysis, and see your data in a new way. Common issues we hear from our clients and potential clients are, I wish I could see my store locations line up with different socioeconomic statuses or other census data. I wish I could see my Google Analytics data with my sale trends by store locations. The options are endless. You want to see your data in new ways to gauge effectiveness and see room for improvement. A tool that we use internally is Power BI. It's a data analytics product. However, this is not a Power BI plug. There are a ton of data analytics tools in the market today, Domo or Tableau, just to name a few. They all have pros and cons, and it may take some evaluation to find that right tool for you and your organization. Let's take a look at this retail example, something tangible and relatable. This data set is provided by Obviance, their Microsoft partner. I have a few reports here that I've generated here at the bottom. Organization overview, territory analysis, we could look at product and unit, district manager, as well as new store. Today we're going to look at the district manager analysis report. On this report, you can see all of the data is filtered to this time frame, whether that's this year's versus last year's sales, or gross margin year to date, or last year's gross margin at this time. You can see all of this information is reflected in relation to district managers. If we were to select on Andrew Ma, the leader for Q1, this map up here in the corner will filter to his store locations. So what if we were to select the Pittsburgh store and zoom on in? We can see that the colors around Pittsburgh are changing. If we were to select up here the Wexford area, the median disposable income per household is $94,531. In comparison, the U.S. average is $44,652. If Andrew were looking to expand store locations or find new places to put stores, he could look for a place that has a higher disposable income that hopefully more likely people will spend that money at our stores. If we were to look at a different store location and compare that area as well. If we zoom in over here to Monroeville, and the colors change around that store, we can select another area. The disposable income is a stark difference in the area up in Wexford, from moving to a $31,883. So as we look at different data, you can take advantage of it and see it through a new looking glass as you layer different data sets together. Data analytics and business intelligence tools can easily shapeshift to help you better understand your business. Stay tuned for our next Leverage Your Data tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.